Hello, this is Bob Perez. The tool I want to show you is the PriceLineCrossDetector. It's a custom indicator for NinjaTrader 8. Its goal is to help you track when price crosses a line you draw on your chart. Let me explain how it works. First, you draw a line using NinjaTrader's built-in drawing tools. Once the line is in place, the indicator watches for price to cross it, either above or below. When that happens, it marks the chart with arrows, dots, and small labels. This makes it easy to spot when price breaks through your line. Now, here's how the markers work. If price crosses above a negative sloped line, the indicator places a cyan dot. If price crosses below a positive sloped line, you'll see a magenta dot. You can draw multiple lines on your chart. Each one will track its own crosses independently. Each line is identified with a line number, and if you move a line, the indicator updates instantly. It also shows helpful labels. These tell you things like the swing level price it's interacting with, and whether a new high or new low is forming. When a line is crossed, the indicator expects a retest of the relevant extreme. The high if it was crossed downward, or the low if it was crossed upward. This expectation is marked by text labels showing the price level to be retested. Arrows are also drawn on the chart to signal the direction of the cross. These arrows extend until price exceeds the relevant extreme of the swing, which either confirms or invalidates the crossing event. There are also some customization options. Open the Options window. You can change the colors of the markers. You can choose whether the indicator calculates on price change or on every tick. I recommend tick by tick for the most responsive results. There's another important setting worth mentioning. The user can choose whether or not the indicator should consider a line officially crossed, based on how close price gets to the relevant extreme. This feature lets you define a close enough threshold in ticks. If enabled, the indicator will display labels such as New High Attempted or New Low Attempted to suggest that price came close to confirming the cross, even if it didn't break the exact level. This gives you more flexibility in how strictly you want the rules to apply, especially useful in fast or volatile market conditions. This added context makes it easier to understand what may happen next in the price structure. This can be extremely helpful before taking a long or short position, especially if you're using Thomas Wade's style of analysis. One last note. If you're used to drawing channels with duplicate lines, you don't need to anymore. With this tool, you can use a single line to track both upward and downward crosses. It keeps your chart cleaner and more focused. In summary, the TW PriceLineCrossDetector is a powerful visual aid. It helps you see where price breaks important levels, the ones you define. By adding this layer of clarity, you can act more confidently and stay in control of your trades. If you'd like to learn more or suggest improvements, feel free to reach out.